Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. I'm having a bowl of cereal and watching YouTube. That's what I do sometimes. Bowl of cereal. Captain Crunch. What? Off-brand Captain Crunch because it's cheaper. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know. I'm going for a bike ride. Yay! I got my bottle of water ready. Yeah. Look at you. This is why we can't have nice things. Because that little piece of fucker does this. That one's like that too. Look how bad it is. Matt has a tiny bit, but barely. And I'm back. I'm riding my bike. I went for about an hour or so. Not or so. Probably an hour and 15 minutes. 30. I don't know. I didn't pay attention to what time it was when I left. But I'm wore out. And I feel good. But I also hate it. But I'm going to tell myself I love it. Oh my god. Nibbler put a hole in my water bottle for my bike. Lovely. I'm seriously about to just make a whole video dedicated to Nibbler. Of why he's a terrible fucking cat. Like, he's such a sweet cat. Like, he's adorable and he's loving and he's very cuddly and adorable, but he just does all these fucking things that pisses us off. It's gonna be like called How to Live with a Nibbler, or How to Take Care of a Nibbler, or something. How to live with a nibbler. I don't know. It's gonna be fucking something. Just finished doing yoga. Today is Monday, by the way. I don't think I ever said that yet. But it's Monday. Matt comes home today. I don't know why I said his name so defiantly. But he comes home today. I had to go pick him up at like 10:30, I think. I don't know. I haven't talked to him that much today. But I've been at work and working out when I got home. Haven't eaten dinner yet, but it's like 5:30. So I'm probably gonna take a shower because I just worked my ass off. And then I'm going to... I don't know if I'm going to film a video because I have a video idea planned, which will be already up if that video happens. It'll be Wednesday and you guys won't see this until Saturday because that's how this works. I put a load of laundry in. How exciting, right? Laundry is so exciting. Adult life is so exciting. You want to see it spin? You want to see it spin? Oh, no, you could just see like my reflection. Spinning. It's a spin and you see this. So, this is apparently a European washer and dryer, which is a washer and a dryer all in one. Woo! The only bad thing about that is you have to do like smaller loads and it takes like a really long time. And we're a little behind on laundry because when we first moved in there was a leak happening, and it wasn't happening during the washing cycle, it was happening during the spin cycle, the drying cycle, which made no sense. But we got that fixed. Dude came in and repaired a hose that apparently, I guess when it drains the water, that was leaking. I don't know. Sorry, it's a fucking mess in this apartment right now because we're still trying to get everything together and figuring out where everything goes, so it's like kind of a mess. So if you see anything in the background, I'm sorry. Don't judge me. We're not filthy. We're just still trying to get organized. It's taking a little bit longer time than it should. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Matt is on his way home. He's on a plane right now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to say hello. I'm so excited. I have like an hour and 15 minutes until, well, an hour to leave and go pick him up. I'm so excited. Sorry, I probably look like a mental patient or something. But yeah, I'm excited. Sorry, that's my washer. I put another load in, by the way. Yeah. I downloaded this yesterday, and of course you know how that takes like 24 hours. Hellblade, I heard it was pretty good because I was kind of interested in it. It looks so cool and I kind of want to do her makeup. Can I do that makeup? I'm going to do that for a Wacky Wednesday. Look at those eyes. Man. But it looks fun, so I'm going to start playing it while I wait for him to land, or about to land, so I can move or leave. Bye. Yeah. What was that?
I'm home. I'm back. What?
No. What's up with you?
Oh.
No.
Why you always film me when I'm driving?
I don't know, because you're off guard. And
It's because I'm like, I have my hands tapped.
yeah, you can't do anything to me.
I can't just be like,
yeah, that's exactly why.
just deal with it. Oh, this is the guy who's like, put his coffee in the bush.
What?
There's a coffee in the bush.
I saw that. That makes me so mad. This is how we do groceries. Matt's loaded up and I have bubbles. Vlog. Oh my god.
Someone like accidentally blows the refrigerator on you.
Is he freaking out yet? Probably not.
Now, the kitty is in the refrigerator. We should let him chill for about 30 seconds and see how he's doing. Maybe he won't be so hot.
So hot.
You know it's done when you can start hearing him meow.
Is he meowing?
Nope, still need some more chilling.
There it is. Oh, this is torture. Let him out. No. Are you done, kitty? Maybe he'll learn to not do it again, but I'm sure he'll do it again.
Ooh, that's a chilled fur.
Oh, kitty. Look at the yummy dinner.
What episode are we on again?
I have no idea. Star Trek. Ooh,
Wait, hold on, let me close. That one. Why won't you tell me what he said? Now I'm gonna love you.
what are we doing?
We're gonna go get ice cream.
Ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. We're children. Again.
Back to me once I've been cleared.
You
Figured out exactly what I've been thinking all this time. Miyazaki's theory is that once I steal L's title, I will become Kira again. Correct. Taking on the identity of L, having the power to control the police in every country while being Kira in secret.
so cute.
It's ideal. And you're thinking I could do it. No, that I would do it. That's what you're saying, isn't it?
So I'm gonna call this a vlog. Today is Sunday, and I gotta edit this weekly vlog. I haven't done it yet. Yesterday I spent, Matt and I spent most of the time cleaning, because we have a lot of stuff that we still need to do, like unpack everything, and we've been pretty lazy about it. We've been here like a month, but yesterday we did a lot. We got a lot accomplished, so that was great. Yeah, and then we drank a little bit, had an amazing dinner, and then went to sleep. Well, not had dinner and then went to sleep. We drank a little bit more and then watched some Netflix and other things, and yay! Bye.